So here's how my nails look now.
Trash.
Yeah, I guess she's a director. Alright, do you want to do my left hand first? Because it'll be easier to do that.
You gotta go hard on that so the nail can attach.
Yeah, I'm telling you, there's commentaries during this video.
I'm telling you, it's not gonna stick on if you just go lightly. Like, scrape the surface off. If you don't see the surface scratch, it's not gonna stick.
Well, I guess she's a professional nail person. She's been telling me what to do this entire time.
I'm the director.
So doing my nails or like prepping for it took forever. Like, probably like 30 minutes to an hour just to prep nails.
Nothing changed.
For real!
Few moments later.
I don't know what I'm doing.
I'll put you here. If I keep going to the sides, because like it's closer to me. Are you serious, bro? What? Oh, you have to do that? Yeah, it has a cure. You don't even put it down, right? Can we put music on again?
And then I'll apparently use this.
I'm scared for you.
Girl, I am scared for myself too. Trust me. I'm no professional. I don't know if I already said that in the beginning, but as you can tell, I'm no professional at all. Which is probably not hard to figure out.
Girl, the first second, I'm sure they figured that out. No. Oh my gosh.
I don't know if it's gonna stick. Let's see if it's gonna stick, shall we? Oh shoot. Oh, it's sticky. That right now. My sister's so unsupportive, as you can tell. Okay, since I can't really use a camera anymore because there's no more space in it, I'm just using a phone to show you. So this is how the pink ones look. I'll pop this one off camera or on camera. Wow. It's kind of scary to pop it off because it feels like I'm gonna pop off my freaking nails. Honestly, I still don't know how. I popped it off. Okay, so these are the pink ones, and I still need to shape them, and I did them like super thin, so I don't know if that's how it's supposed to be or not.
Much later.
It's only like 1 in the morning, I want to say, or like 1:30 in the morning, but here's how my nails look. I'm not sure. So here's how my nails look. Like, they took forever to do. Like, I thought they were gonna take like 3 hours max to do both nails, but it took 3 hours for each nail. These one came out alright. Like, for my first time, they came out alright. I like how they came out. This is the first one I've done, like I did, and this is the second one. I use my left hand to do my right hand. That makes sense. Okay, I use my left hand to do my right hand, and this kind of looks wonky. Like, look at that. Like, the cuticle area kind of looks wonky, and like this one looks like it's about to pop off. But I give it like 2 days before these pop off because there's like air bubbles in there.
I give it after you take a shower.
For real. Like, I feel like I'm gonna be in a shower going like this, and one nail's gonna pop off. Like, no joke. Yeah, that is the update on my nails. So I hope you guys like watching this video. If you do, stay tuned for more. I don't know what else I'm gonna be vlogging or whatever, but I hope it's interesting. So I hope you liked the video, enjoyed it. Hopefully it wasn't that long because this took forever to do. So hopefully the video is like kind of short. Yeah, subscribe if you want. If you don't want to, then I don't know, it's up to you. Well, bye guys.